What should you say when selling your home due to a divorce? Divorcing your partner may carry a lot of emotional charge, and you should make sure you understand how to communicate during the process of selling what once was a shared home. Hi, I'm Andrea Larsen. During the process of selling your home in a divorce situation, it is helpful to remember the acronym UVAC. U stands for understand. You need to seek to understand the needs of your family, but also take the time to ask questions on each piece of paperwork you are signing. So, when you reach closing process, you will feel confident in your decision. This requires asking questions and not being afraid to speak up. Hiring a good realtor that has strong mediation skills will assist you in understanding each step. A stands for answer. Make sure you are responding to any communication from your realtor in a timely manner. Procrastination may feel good, especially if you are resistant to the sale, but in the long run, it can cost you a smooth sale and money in your pocket. V stands for validate. When you are explaining the situation to the children or your family, make sure you validate their feelings and their emotional response by listening, but also set clear boundaries that you are making the best decisions to move forward. And finally, C is for closure. Your realtor will be working hard to make sure you reach closing with as few headaches as possible. So if you've completed the last 3 steps, closing day may still be hard, but you will have gained confidence in your ability to navigate the next chapter and be able to trust that your home is going to close smoothly. Again, I'm Andrea Larsen. Make it a great day. I love where I live and I want you to love where you live too.